Welcome. This video I'll talk about some loop examples so we can understand everything about loops. Let's see the first example. I want to print something like this. Number, then a space, then square, then this line here, and print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the square of every number here. What we must do right now. Let's see the code here. First, I print number /t square. This /t here to print this space here. This will print 7 spaces. Okay. Then I print this line here. Print. This is here. Then I create a loop to create our numbers here and this square here. I type for number for each number. For number in range 1 and 11. This will take numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, because range do not use the last number. The range will not get you to 11. It only will reach 10. Okay, then I create a new variable square, which will get the square of every number. This is here and 2. This is square. Then I print our number here, there colon, then /t for this space here, then colon, then square to print every number and its square. Let's try this example on our Python idle. Okay, I'll print here number, then /t, then square. Okay, then I'll print this line here. Then I say for number in range 1 and 11. I create a new variable equal name square, which will get the square of every number. Okay, then I'll print our number, a column, /t, a column, and the square. Okay, close the parentheses. Let's save this code 1 and let's run our code. So we can see here, this is our number and our square 1, square 1, 2, square 4, 3, square 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Okay, you can change from 11 to any number you want, like this. We run our code, we can see this is every number and its square. Okay, let's review our code. First, I print number /t square, and this I print this line here. Then I create a loop for numbers in range 1 and any number we want. Then I create a new variable which will hold the square of our number. For every number, this will get the square of this number. Then I print the number /t and square. Remember that this /t for creating this space here and this space here. Okay, let's update our code. What if we want to take the first number and the last number from user? First, I'll take the first number from user in a start variable, then I'll take the last number from user in end variable, like this. After the starting number, then how should I go? Then from using here 1 and 11, I'll use start and end plus 1. Let's modify our code here. I'll take two variables from user here, start and end. Okay, I'll use input method, which will take values for input from user, enter starting number here, then here input enter the end number. Okay, but remember something, this input return a string, but we want to use this as an integer, so we have to create a cast here. I'll type int here and I'll type int here. Now this start is not a string, it is an integer because I create a cast here. Okay, now we will remove this and type start, and we will remove this and type int plus 1. Why plus 1? I told you before that range do not reach the last value, so if this end equal to 10, this value here will not reach 10, it will reach 9. Okay, let's save this and let's run our code. The code will, as we can see here, ask you for giving is a number. I'll type 5, sorry, then I'll hit enter the end number, I'll type, and he will print from 5 to the number you entered here, the number and the square. Let's review our code. First, I get two values from user using input method, input, and then I type this, enter the first number and enter the end number. Remember that this input here return a string, but we want to use this return as an integer, so I create a cast here and to get this, to convert this string to integer. Okay, then I said print number slash t square, then for every number in range start and end plus 1, we said end plus 1 because range does not reach the final value, so now range can reach end. Then I create a square variable which will give the square our number, then I print number slash t square. Okay, in the next video I'll show you another example so we can understand more and more about loops in details. Hope you like this video and see you next one.